Listen. Between the song of the sparrow and the call of the warbler, wrapped in the rush of the wind and the slow drip of the creek, you are there. Not at the center of everything, but a part of it all, and all of it a part of you, a part of everyone, across time and space. The ancients travel with you, and the stars. There among the tundra and the tides, the dirt and the dawn, lives the love that is your birthright, the belonging beyond your own lifetime. Your breath is in the aspen leaves, and the soil knows your skin. The world holds your worry and your wanting, your regret and your grief. It says the arc of time is long enough to hold it all. It is the gift and also the pain of our inescapable indivisibility, the knowing that all of us need all of us to make it. And so we give thanks, not only for blooming parts, but also for the compost heap, as we promise each other and this world not righteousness, but reciprocity. A whole religion of regeneration for us all. Starting May 12th, join us for a 7-week series, cultivating reverence for the sacred wisdom of the earth, practicing wonder and awe for our place in the order of things, and helping us to stay connected to the beauty and joy that is everywhere, every day. Join us for our series, The Nature of Being, this spring at Foothills.